Hello and welcome to Behind the Bar with me, Cara Devine. Today we're going to be looking at 3 delicious absinthe cocktails. I've been promising you guys a deep dive on absinthe for a while now, and we finally filmed it. It will be dropping soon, so make sure that you've subscribed and hit that notification bell. But to get you excited for that, I've got 3 great absinthe cocktails to show you today. We've got one you've probably heard of, one you might not know, and then my own personal favourite. So let's get started. Made famous by Hemingway, this drink is as French as it gets, combining absinthe and champagne for a crisp afternoon tipple. Alright, first things first, we better get this champagne open. Literally my favourite sound in the world. 20 ml of absinthe, a bar spoon of sugar syrup, about 100 ml of your finest champagne. Alright, let's give this a taste. Okay, so that one wasn't really my favourite, but definitely much nicer than I was fearing. But it's just because there's not really enough else going on for the absinthe to sort of play with an accent. It's very much the main player with nowhere to hide, so you do have to be a bit of a fan of absinthe. But this next drink really plays to aniseed's strengths, in my opinion, because it just lifts up and adds interest to an already complex sipper. The La Louisiane resembles its New Orleans cousin, the Sazerac, but with sweetness coming from vermouth and Benedictine instead of just sugar syrup. It can also be thought of as a Manhattan variation. Alright, so we're just going to go in with 50 ml of rye, 25 ml of sweet vermouth, 10 ml of Benedictine, 3 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, and 3 to 4 good dashes of absinthe. Give it a stir. Then we're just going to strain it into a chilled coupe glass. Sink in a little cherry. And there you go, the La Louisiane. It's really lovely. It's definitely a bit on the sweeter side, like even compared to Manhattan, just with that extra liqueur in there. And the absinthe comes through in just the right amount for me, so just like a really kind of delicate little accent. Don't shoot me, but I think I might prefer it to the Sazerac. So that one was definitely more up my alley, but I have to say that one of my all-time favorite absinthe drinks is this next one. Absinthe is a match made in heaven with the apple and pomegranate in the Pan American Clipper. It's a fresh and fruity crowd pleaser. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to juice some lime juice. Then we're going to go 50 ml of calvados or apple brandy, either is fine. About 15 to 20 ml of grenadine. 20 ml of your freshly squeezed lime juice. Then we're going to shake. Give your glass a good spritz with absinthe and fine strain your drink in there. Then we're going to garnish with a little dehydrated apple slice and another spritz of absinthe for the aroma. The Pan American Clipper. It's definitely pretty perfect if you want to branch out from sort of a whiskey sour, or you normally like a sidecar or something. Those kind of richer while still fresh sour style cocktails. It's a really good variation of that. So there you have 3 very different drinks using absinthe in very different ways. If you try them all on the same day, you might even see a wee green fairy, but no guarantees. 3 great absinthe cocktails. So now you know.